Hey guys, welcome back to the video. I'm just gonna try to get Moviebox Pro. It's basically an app where you could watch movies and TV shows for free. I'm pretty sure you guys know about it because you're on this video. But basically, it got revoked back a couple months ago. It got shut down because a bunch of bots and stuff were getting on the app. So now they've released a new way to get it, and let me show you guys how to get in this video. But before the video starts, I want to give away two pairs of AirPods to two lucky winners. I appreciate the support, and I hit 300 subscribers recently. So this is just a little giveaway for you guys. All you gotta do is comment AirPods down below, just like that. And I'm gonna choose a random winner in my next video with a random comment picker. So yeah, let me show you guys how to get Moviebox now. So on your mobile device, Android or iOS, you want to open up Safari or Google Chrome, and you're gonna go to this website right here, movieboxpro.host, just like that, movieboxpro.host. Once you're on that website, it's gonna open up the installer, and basically all you guys want to do is type in your email. As you guys can see, I've already typed mine out because I just did it a couple minutes ago to test it. But that's my email right there, and you guys want to leave it on all devices, and you want to make sure this is enabled, otherwise it won't work. This just makes you like go to the fast server. Then simply just press the big green download button. Once you press that, it's gonna come up with the Moviebox installer, and it's gonna say complete 2 offers for Moviebox to start installing. So this is basically where I was telling you guys that they got revoked, and now there's a new way to get it, but they have to prove that you're a human before you can, because too many bots were getting on, and that caused them to get banned, to get their app shut down. So basically, you want to download any 2 apps on here, um, and follow what they say. So this one tells me to download and install this app and then run for 30 seconds. That's easy to do. And the other one tells me to do this exact same thing. So you just want to click on both the apps. I already have both of the apps on my phone because I was doing it before to test. So basically, once you download both apps, you're gonna just want to do this. Open it up and just press random buttons. You don't have to sign up for anything or make an account or anything. Just stay on the app for 30 seconds to prove that you're human. Just press like random buttons. That like not a bot wouldn't be able to do this. So let's say I was on that for 30 seconds. I was going to the second app. Once I'm on the second app, you want to do the exact same thing. Press random buttons. Act like you're a human. Do stuff that a bot wouldn't be able to do. Press random buttons. Stay on the app for 30 seconds. I would do a minute just to be safe, but 30 seconds should work. And once you've done both apps, you want to go back to the screen where you download the apps. And down here where it says after completion this page will unlock, you'll see a little check mark pop up, and you'll be redirected to a new website, and it'll say thank you for installing Moviebox. And then once you go to that website, you'll start to see Moviebox start appearing on your screen. And once that happens, you can delete both of the other apps. It doesn't matter. Those are just used to prove that you're a human. And yeah, thank you guys for watching. And if you guys need help, please comment down below. I'll help you guys out. I'll personally message you and ask if you guys need help. And remember to comment AirPods, and have a good day, guys.